The RBA has kept the cash rate on hold at 4.1% for the third month in a row, offering some relief for mortgage holders. It's the final time Governor Philip Lowe presided over the central bank's decision as he prepares to step down after 7 years at the helm.
It's the decision economists were predicting.
Cash rate, it's confirmed, it is on hold again.
The cash rate has been left on hold at 4.1%. This is largely because inflation in Australia is coming down more than expected and consumer spending is on the decline. The annual inflation data for the month of July dropped to 4.9%, which is down from 5.4% in June. But the rate reprieve follows the most aggressive rate hike cycle in a generation, with 12 rate increases in 13 months. The RBA's decision comes as borrowers struggle with interest repayments and cost of living pressures.
Don't mistake this for a cut. The inflation and interest rate pressures on Australian families are still very, very real and very, very painful.
Dr Philip Lowe says the higher interest rates are working to establish a more sustainable balance between supply and demand in the economy and will continue to do so. In light of this and the uncertainty surrounding the economic outlook, the board again decided to hold interest rates steady this month. This will provide further time to assess the impact of the increase in interest rates to date and the economic outlook. Some further tightening of monetary policy may be required to ensure that inflation returns to target in a reasonable time frame. The central bank forecasts inflation will continue to decline and will return to the target range of 2 to 3% by late 2025.
A third moment of relief and reprieve for many Australians and small businesses that we know are already under the pump, particularly those who have come off fixed rates and the 500,000 more who will transition before the end of the year. We understand that Australians are still under pressure even after this decision.
This is one of Philip Lowe's final acts as Governor of the RBA. Deputy Governor Michele Bullock will step up to the top job on September 18.
I also wanted to say that today is Governor Lowe's final Reserve Bank board meeting. He leaves that important role with the government's respect, the government's gratitude, and he leaves with dignity.
Dr Philip Lowe will deliver a final speech in the job in Sydney on Thursday. Gabriella Power, Sky News, Sydney.